What is it, Lily?
There.
Are they puzzles?
Should we open them up?
We should.
Okay, let me see if I can do that.
Here.
Just score it across the back. Oh, okay. Okay. What do you say, Lily?
Yay. But what does the mouth? But I can't wait to duck the mouth.
All right.
Enough to feel my Zimbabwe on the head.
Little bunny foo foo.
Yeah.
Little bunny
Little bunny foo foo hopping through the forest.
Does Papa know that song too? Alright, let's get our corners, Lily.
That just go like that.
I promise you can do puzzles.
Yeah,
Just get her
there's
started.
one by your left hand. There's a corner by your left. Down. There you go. That's it.
Enough to feel my.
Hey Lily, what is this right here? What do you think that is?
But a giraffe.
Can you find the giraffe's head? Lily. Oh my goodness. Is that a giraffe or is that a
Lily.
lion?
Lily, what about this piece right there?
There you go.
Is that it? Hey, way to go.
Don't try that piece first. Don't try that piece. That must be Daddy.
I don't think I heard Daddy yet, sweetie. He should be back soon. Okay.
No.